The crash of a helicopter carrying Iran's president and foreign minister on Sunday sent shockwaves throughout the region. Unfortunately, no survivors were found. However, you must know that Iran's president Ibrahim Raisi was not only important for his own country but also for the Middle East. And how so? Well, let's find out. The helicopter was carrying Iranian President Ibrahim Raisi, Foreign Minister Hossein Amirabdollahian, the governor of Iran's East Azerbaijan province, and other officials and bodyguards. They were returning from a trip to Iran's border with Azerbaijan to inaugurate a dam with Azerbaijan's President Ilham Aliyev when the helicopter crashed or made an emergency landing in the Dizmar forest between the cities of Varzakhan and Jolfa in Iran's East Azerbaijan province. Ibrahim Raisi is seen as a prodigy to Iran's supreme leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei and a potential successor within the country's Shiite theocracy. Now that Raisi has died, Mohammad Muqbar, the first vice president, would become the interim president. Khamenei assured Iranians that the country's operations would continue despite the crash. The crash creates problems for the Middle East, particularly amid the ongoing conflict between Israel and Hamas. Israel has long viewed Iran as its greatest threat because of Tehran's controversial nuclear program, its ballistic missiles, and its support for armed groups sworn to Israel's destruction. Iran views itself as the chief patron of Palestinian resistance to Israeli rule, and top officials for years have called for Israel to be wiped off the map. While there is no evidence that Israel was involved in the crash, its long-standing tensions with Iran add complexity to the situation. Arab countries on the Persian Gulf have also long viewed Iran with suspicion, a key factor in their decision of the United Arab Emirates and Bahrain to normalize relations with Israel in 2020 and of Saudi Arabia to consider such a move. Iran has provided financial and other support over the years to Hamas, which led the October 7 attack into Israel that triggered the Gaza war, and the smaller but more radical Palestinian Islamic Jihad, which took part in it. But there is no evidence that Iran was directly involved in the attack. Since the start of the war, Iran's leaders have expressed solidarity with Palestinians. Their allies in the region have gone much further. Iran's influence extends beyond the Middle East and its rivalry with Israel. Israel and Western countries have long suspected Iran of pursuing nuclear weapons in the guise of a peaceful atomic program in what they see as a threat to non-proliferation everywhere. But this is not all. Iran has also emerged as a key ally of Russia following its invasion of Ukraine and is widely accused of supplying exploding drones that have wreaked havoc on Ukraine's cities. What are your views on the same? Do comment and let us know. Till then, keep watching India TV.